Golf Digest ranks it among the top 100 courses in the world outside the United States, achieving its highest ever ranking of number 47 in the 2023 list of the world's 100 greatest courses.
When I have to describe how big it is, you could only say it's an exaggeration, but it's not. Because the mamba's center of its body was like two sizes of a man's thick arm. Wow. And then you'll know how long it was if, you know, the road between Skukuza and Lower Sabi is a double road. With its curve in the way it was sailing, it was 3/4 of that road. Now that means it's a 4 foot at least. A 4 foot mamba, a 4 meter mamba. I'm telling you, that had to be a record mamba, that.
Today we salute you, Mr. Golf Ball Washer Inventor.
Mr. Golf Ball Washer Inventor!
The time-honored game of golf is the sport of kings, and kings don't play with dirty balls.
Don't play dirty!
Because of you, we can give our balls a sudsy tumble at every tee. The result? Clean, shiny balls every time we whack 'em.
Flying high!
Drive after drive, putt after putt, hole after hole. Our dimpled balls stay clubhouse clean.
Keep on driving!
So crack open an ice cold Bud Light, Mr. Launderer on the links. You are in our thoughts every time we jiggle our balls.
The course itself has recently undergone a major upgrade in terms of bunker design, green complexes, and turf replacements, which has both transformed the look and the feel of the layout and improved its playability for members. When Johann Rupert first approached sculptor Dylan Lewis, the intention was for Dylan to sculpt a monumental leopard, which Johann envisaged would be the focal point of the Leopard Creek clubhouse. During the course of their conversation, Dylan proposed a series of sculptures instead, one for each hole, following the leopard's movements over a day. The finished collection is a truly magnificent spectacle, starting on the first tee with leopards lying on a rock, showing our beloved leopard slowly stirring to welcome the day, and ending on the 18th tee box with leopards standing on a slope, showing the leopard surveying the vast bushveld at the end of another glorious day under the African skies. Each sculpture is a masterpiece in its own right, but the collection truly comes to life when viewed in sequence over the course of a round at Leopard Creek. Leopard Creek's 9-hole par 3 course holes are inspired by 8 famous courses, including Augusta National, the Old Course at St. Andrews, Muirfield, North Berwick, and Sawgrass. It's one of the most daunting finishing holes in the game because of the island green.